Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen. Because my channel is for beginners, I have to show you everything to make your baking experience much better and easier. So have the measuring cups and then have little bowls where you can put your other ingredients, and then spoons too. So I am showing you how I measure mine. I take the flour and I am not really pushing this down because you don't want to, this way you get the exact measurement. If you just do this but you're not pushing it down. This is this way, that's how I measure. And then, because it's happened to me too not so many times, but the phone was ringing or whatever, I forgot to put yeast in it or whatever. So that's why I recommend for you to put exactly the measurements and ingredients in little bowls, and then measure it with the spoons, and then you never leave out anything, and then you won't get surprised how come your dough doesn't rising up. Because I was once surprised and then I didn't understand what's going on because I thought I put the yeast in it, and I didn't because I was answering the phone. So the best way start, you measure it out and then leave it out, and then you just follow the direction, and then you don't have bad experience with baking, and maybe you get inspired if it turns out good. Today I am making kiflis, crescent rolls. I put the flour in. You will have the recipe on YouTube site, but if you do this, your dough will be much lighter, and it's nice to do it airier, so it works well if you do this. And then I add a little pinch of sugar, I add the salt and the dry yeast. A lot of people ask for this recipe, so this will be my voluntary present for you guys. And I am so happy. A lot of people wrote me, welcome back, and you inspired me to make new videos for you guys. Okay, dry ingredients, then I add sour cream. You can add 2. I will have the exact measurement and the recipe for you on show more, click on show more, and that's when the recipe will show up. This is mixing, and I put the timer on for 5 minutes because I like when it's very smooth. Now I adding a few drops of lemon juice. Soft dough, so I put a little oil on the bottom. I move it and then I just turn it around. Now I can cover it and I wait until like double in size, and you will see the rest. I will put a little oil here. Lately I do it with oil, but you can do flour or whatever you like. Okay, you see how nice? And I can just fold it a little bit and make it like this, because I will use half of it, because you can put 4. I forgot to bring the knife, but you will see. Now I'm forming a ball, and I try to roll it out for a 1/4 inch. This doesn't cost you that much, so you can try it again and again until you get it. Okay. 4-piece because we make big. But if you want to make smaller one, then just have these, and then you do the same thing, rolling it. Let's see again. Roll a little bit, roll, roll, pull, roll, pull, roll. I hope you can get it. Okay, and then after you just have to roll it a little bit. This is for the big ones, not the smaller one. I'm just showing you. Pull, pull, roll, pull, roll, pull, roll. And now you can roll it a little bit together. And don't make it too skinny on the ends. And I will put it here. But you cannot see. Let's see the other. And this will be done soon. Pull. So this recipe gives you 8 kiflis. I don't want to make it too narrow on the ends. This is look like this. One from the side. Roll, pull, roll, pull. That easy. Now I enjoy to make this, and top of that tastes really good. And you can freeze it, and then you just put it in a toaster. You see, this goes under, and that's how you place it on the pan. From this recipe, you can make 8 big kiflis. So now I have to put it back in a warm place and let it rise up a little bit, like half an hour or 20 minutes, and then I can bake it for another 20-30 minutes. So now I have to put the water on, but all over, and that's how I put it in the oven, wet. As you can see, I put in a little pot water, and this will give me enough steam for baking the kifli or anything. Here's with the little steamy. It's ready, and I spray with the water again. And let's see how that looks. These are the big ones. Today I will suffer with the kifli. I just took it out the oven and then I let it cool, and this will be my lunch today. This recipe is really good, so if you follow my directions, your kifli can turn out good too.